This very quick tutorial, I'm going to talk about using Premiere Pro along with Adobe Express. So what I have here is I have Adobe Express. If I open up Express here, and with Adobe Express, I've created this project right here. And this is an advertisement for one of my 2 books that I have that I've written. And all I've done is going up to search, and I've just typed in for a YouTube template. And when the template appears, I've just suggested and modified the template to what I want. I then went up to downloads here, and I've come down to 4K and downloaded for a 4K in the 4K resolution. What I've then done inside of Premiere is I've imported inside of Premiere, and this is the timeline right here. So I've done quite a few things here. So I've added in quite a bit of sound effects. So let me just play this from the beginning. Meet Libby, a journey to self-love. And what I've done here is I've used quite a few transitions, and the transitions that I've used are paid transitions, so they are from Film Impact. What I've also done down here, I've used another tool in order to enhance some of the videos also. So the tool that I've used here is called Cinema Grade. So I've just dragged Cinema Grade onto the clip in order to enhance the look of the clip. What I've then done, as I said, is I've added quite a few sound effects down here. So for my audio, and what I've done with the audio is quite neat. So if I come over here and if I click on the drop-down menu here and choose Remix Tool, I can then remix my audio out to exactly what I want. So it plays for as long or as short as I want. And notice here that it will go to work. And then what it will do is it will elongate or make it as short as you actually want your clip to be. So what I've then done also, Premiere, is I've added, again, I've used a lot of the tools from here and dragged them in here and then modified them. The thing about Express that I really love, however, is that, if I go back to Express really quickly, there we go, about Express, is that all you have to do is just search for whatever templates that you want. If I go back to home, I show you another one that I'm working on now. So I've come down here, and this is for my second book about Tommy, The Power of Love. And again, I've just modified the content, gone up and exported it out, brought it into Premiere, and then just like I've done with Libby, I've added quite a bit of sound effects and everything for the actual finished product. I've used Photoshop in order to create the ending here. So the books here were done in Photoshop, and then I've just brought the Photoshop file in and then used it. So that's been a really quick look at using Adobe Express and Premiere Pro together.